GenXS Jamaica 2024, we are so ready and we are excited that our many partners, especially Johnny Walker, are on board. Jumping with Johnny Walker, drinking, enjoying Johnny Walker responsibly in the whole Gen experience is something we planned for and we are totally ready for. Carnival preparation does not start the day before, it starts weeks before. You have to, if you're going to the gym, do not try to lift up every dumbbell, do not try to impress the ladies with that 6, 12, 24 pack just because it's all about wellness and readiness. It's an 8.7 kilometer trek chipping through the streets of Kingston and St. Andrew. So what you want to do is mentally focus and get ready for that. One key piece of advice is hydration. Ensure you're hydrated, not just the day before, 2 days before, but at least a good run of 7 days or so before the big Carnival Sunday when you're jumping with GenXS Jamaica. Johnny Walker has to be enjoyed responsibly and with a vibe. So if you're chilling and hanging out with your friends, you sip responsibly. With a nice glass, you stir, you shake, you consume. If you're in a party, you want some motivation, some inspiration, you draw for a bottle of Johnny Walker 750 and you know what time it is. After hydrating in between your sips and your mixes, you know that when your friends, family, carnival spaces and places like with GenXS and Johnny Walker come together, real vibes. When liming, fetting, partying with GenXS on the road, wherever you are in our space, and there's Johnny Walker, do so responsibly, with fun, but always responsibly. But as a walking man, as a walking youth, I don't know if that's patented, ensure that you enjoy the moment, you enjoy the spirit without doing too much or showing out too much, but just show up and be responsible and respectful. The vibes, the fun, the camaraderie, soca spirit will take you over in moments. So just enjoy it all responsibly.